Box cover, so it is now live show week 2 on UK's X Factor 2018, and let me tell you people, I am just excited. I love them type of competition here where Jamaican people can partake and get to show off them talent to the whole entire world. So just like Tess and Chin, a couple years ago, Dalton Harris took to this stage to go and sing Whitney Houston's I Have Nothing. No, when me hear say I have nothing, me I say, boy, oh boy, Dalton, say Tess and Chin, see, check the bar. Well, Backsfoot High, what can you do to sort of make yourself, stand out with a song like this that so many people in the world have done? I remember Dalton's voice from Rising Stars days, and I kind of wonder if it did it mature, did it reach to a certain level where me can say, yeah man, you can harm manage the great Whitney Houston. R.I.P. So him take to the stage that this outfit, me no know how him sing, Whitney Houston. In a Michael Jackson attire, but then again, Halloween, so probably might be a tribute, kind of low-key. You don't know, big of yourself, Michael Jackson. During the performance at one point, Dalton started to do some little Michael Jackson move like dun, 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 dun. I feel like Jane is not my lover. Oh, she's just a girl who thinks that I am the one. All the little line in a song, Dalton, why you are so show off? Like, why you have to go on some extra right there, so?
My colors for you.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. At one point, I'll take him hand and put on him heart like him do the national pledge.
I won't hold it back again.
I pledge now. Which I use again? Jesus be. People, me say it all reach now part of one song when they know like the Whitney style of singing. It look like it kicking in a Dalton, and Dalton say, yeah man, if you want to deliver the note here, you have to go do it Whitney style. Now, if you don't know Whitney, when you deliver them note here, your mouth have to tremble. It have to, like when the one bag of earthquake, them are going in Jamaica like your mouth have to, yeah, I took up all kind of 5.0 magnitude earthquake. Then same time during the performance, it looked like Simon go over to Louis and say, but the same can't lit the note like how Tess and lit the note. Jesus beam, then the moment of truth came when it reached the song, the part when them say, I have nothing, nothing, nothing. You hear the part there and say, Jesus beam, cross your finger. Can he hit the note? Because that would absolutely be the worst place in the song for your voice to crack and just left you just falling right off of this big old mango tree. Bloof, bloof, baff. I say, alright Dalton, if you pass this, you're good. Yo, when me hear the me, yo, you know when something like it, yo, hold out the note, you say, yo, this note now gonna flap me right there, so me. What give on? Me. Yeah, that come from him 2 points. Like this is where Marcus, Garvey, and many of the Maroons and they fight for that note come out of Dalton vice box. No, this is exactly what I used to tell my mother. I used to kind of give my mother a problem. And she thought, but you slam a little one door in your mother's face and you walk off. Yeah, man. And she said, do it again if you think you're bad. And I said, provoke me. Do not let me close one more door. Me don't want to hurt them more. I'm tired of the beating. Tired of it. Now, same time when me look over at Ada that I see a swing song in her chair, I don't know what she forget. See her husband there right beside her, but my girl look like she mesmerized. Like when girl get a certain, thing kind of too proper, and it's like them just start for, one little hypnosis. Me don't know, like she start to reconsider her whole life, and I say, yo, I think me need to find a little Jamaican bamboo, a little rent a dread, them type of thing, the high heart taking a vacation soon after they show her head. Same way Adam used to look on Tessan when she did the on the voice. Some mix up. Oh, Dalton, you and them, yo, them falsetto. So, me gonna start, every time Dalton perform, me gonna just call something called the falsetto force. Yeah, I'm convinced because, like, my voice, like, and the editing software kind of spoil it up. Yeah. Then the brother just like ease out of the song and I was just like, wow, wow, the box for Dalton Harris, boy, your voice, it really grow. No, like, you know, I'll never say it's like Jamaican people. Once again, we have so much talent in Jamaica, but when you're in the country, you have to kind of force to kind of do the sort of music where the Jamaican audience want to hear. So singers like them here, you don't really get an outlet where you can really showcase your talent and all of what you're capable. Because if you're there, you have to kind of sing about, you know, skin out and wine out and a little thing before you can get like the reaction and a certain respect from the local community. So I say, well done, Dalton Harris. That was a shell-horrific performance. Like, yo, it was just clean. All of the judges gave him a standing ovation. You know, Simon Cowell, Ada, Robbie Williams, and Louis, like every single body, the audience did not clap for like almost about 2 minutes straight. Everybody was just in awe of his voice. Robbie Williams basically tell Dalton, say, if the Jamaica have like Olympics for singing, Dalton Harris would have to dip on the team.
Jamaica had an Olympic singing team, they should send you.
Ada, the woman with the kind of Google eye over Dalton performance, she said like, yo, he is lacking nothing.
Because you have everything.
Ada, you need to go and clean up yourself. Kind of Jamaica, we know about Ada soap or Ada dishwashing liquid. You need to go and wash out them thoughts there out of your head because your husband is right beside you. Okay, Ada. Konnichiwa. And then naturally Dalton's group leader, Louis, who is in charge of the boys, said, you know, like he's very proud of Dalton. And you can see because basically the whole time during the performance, Louis just looked like him just want bragging rights to say him select and pick out Dalton to be a part of this competition.
You are on your own league.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, I looked at all of the competition and I think Dalton stands a good chance. He could do very well in this competition. But you know what he need? He need the votes them from UNO people. What is important is that UNO vote, especially the people them who are living inside of the United Kingdom. Now here is how you can vote. You can vote by downloading the X Factor app and by, you know, voting for Dalton Harris. Just download the app if you're inside of the UK and vote. If you're outside of the UK, look at this and, you know, you can, you know, get all of the voting details. Just dial this number and vote for Dalton Harris. Or if you're in Jamaica, this is how you can do it. And for the people who are in Jamaica, you want to tune into the show and you're not, what do you call it, you don't have no cable or no internet and them something, you can actually watch it on TVJ. Now this, the X Factor airs on Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays around like 2:30 on TVJ, and on Sundays the result show. Yeah man, it's like a quick turnaround time. Sundays the result show around like 2 o'clock as well, where you can get to find out if Dalton made it through to the next week. Now, I hope so by the time I put out this video, all who never know can go run and go start vote and, you know, each person tell a friend and get this thing going because, yeah, we need Jamaica for representing at this competition like how we are used to, which is straight winnings. Well, that is it, people. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Also, leave a comment and let me know, you know, what was your favorite part of this performance. How did you feel watching Dalton Harris hit the X Factor stage? Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to say subscribe. Please subscribe. All the peeps in the United Kingdom, subscribe to the channel. I need the support, people. Thank you, man. Peace out. Share my life, take me from what I am, 'cause I'll never change my skin color for you, yeah. Take my bleach, I never buy from downtown, 'cause all that them sell you is curry and toothpaste. I don't ever bust up because my bleach proper. I use Necrozome and the One Idol. I don't have to worry about skin cancer because what gets me brown is just a light foundation. So don't let me close one more cream. I don't have to link naked chromas. All I need to buy is Fenty Beauty and put on my epidermis and rub away my melanin. Rub away my melanin, yeah. I don't know if you care about my melanin, yeah. Because I'll be black as Halloween done as Halloween done. I'll be black. Oh, Barry, thank you very much.